too much focus on becoming something rather than becoming someone or somebody. Does that ring a bell? I am talking about a very, very grave situation. It has had a very deep and profound impact on me. It is disturbing. And yes, I'm talking about the schooling culture of our country and the culture of people, the mindset in general. This video is not just for a school going student, a college going student, or a parent. I think it's for everybody. And I have been noticing this pattern since I was a kid in school. But as I have grown older, all of it is making sense to me. Earlier, I could sense something is not right, but now I can comprehend what is not right. There's too much focus on achieving a lot in a short span of time. I've heard people from other countries who say जो पढ़ाई इंडिया में 5th स्टैंडर्ड में होती है वो बाहर की कंट्रीज़ में 7th या 8th स्टैंडर्ड में होती है. And they say Indian education system is better, it's faster. I want to ask these people, and nothing personal against them, this is just the notion. And these are the same Indians who've done their education in India and they are putting their kids in schools abroad because apparently they were not happy with this situation in India, education or whatever. My question to them is, इतनी जल्दी पढ़ाई करवा के बच्चों को क्या करोगे, क्या अचीव करना चाहते हो? No matter how much you read about cars, you learn how to drive them, you watch YouTube tutorials, you can't drive a car before you turn 18. जल्दबाजी किस चीज़ की है? आई थिंक वाई यहाँ पे जो पढ़ाई 5th में हो रही है वो वहाँ पे 7th या 8th में हो रही है. आई थिंक देयर वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग थिंग्स इज बेटर. दे एक्सप्लेन कंसेप्ट्स, रट्टे नहीं मरवा रहे वो वहाँ पे जैसे यहाँ पे हो रहा है. आई मेट समवन हु इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर CA एंड आई किड यू नॉट, दैट पर्सन इज इन द 5th ईयर एंड वो लिटरली बैठ के ना हो ऐसे याद कर रहे हैं. दे आर रीडिंग अकाउंट्स फ्रॉम अ टेक्स्ट बुक. They are not gaining hands-on knowledge. They don't have anybody to explain to them कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और क्यों कर रहे हैं और कैसे करना है, कोई नहीं बताता. Indian education is a lot about just grabbing facts. My 3-year-old niece is memorizing poems. She's articulating them very well. Maybe she's getting prizes, awards, recognition, and it's good. It feels good as a parent, as a mama, or everything feels good. But is she grabbing what is there inside the poem? What's the message that the poem is trying to convey? What's the storyline? Or is she just mugging up facts and educational curriculum? And I see no difference whatsoever between the education I received 10 years back and the education that these kids are receiving today. The focus is not holistic. I remember one of the report cards of one of the student, 6-page report card, and mind you, that report card had a spelling mistake. That's the state of the education system. Report card has a spelling mistake. It's a small thing, but has a huge impact. They have 6 pages of report cards that this is the attendance, these are the grades in various subjects. uh, they are talking about how good the child's rote learning power is, memorization कितनी अच्छी कर सकते हैं वो. Dude, that kid is a human. He or she is not a hard disk जिसमें आप डेटा लोड कर रहे हो. Understand this. Is there any holistic development happening on an emotional, spiritual, intellectual level, intelligence? Are you making the children wise, or are you just cramming them with facts all day long? I don't need to memorize anything. I have Alexa, Siri. I can just ask them who's the president, who was the emperor, what is this math calculation. ज़रूरत क्या है रट्टे मारने की? What's the need to learn tables, mathematical tables? I couldn't find the sense when I was in 4th standard, probably 6-7 years of age, and I can't make a sense of it today, 20 years later. It's amusing and disturbing how the thing is going. Uh, and one thing that I also hate about the education system is homework, holidays homework. Isn't it ironical, holidays and homework? Why can't you let the kid free? They are studying for 10 months of the year for 2 months, just 2 months. Can't they focus on pursuing co-curricular activities, some passion, or just spending time, leisure? Is it so important that we have to study all year long? Can't we apply the 80-20 principle, that we study for 80% of the time and 20% of the time we just do our stuff or just be ourselves? The principle that companies like Google follow. 20% of the time or 10% of the time you get paid and you are free to pursue projects projects that interest you. Why is there a notion in schools, colleges and corporate offices that you have to be on the job, you have to be doing something or the other? Hustle culture. Human brain is not designed to work in that manner. I believe development should be holistic, and I see a lot of people pursuing careers that they should not be doing. This should probably be a topic for a different video. I don't want to make this one a very long one, but I'll just touch upon it. I meet a lot of people, and my question to them is, why did you choose this profession? Or why are you preparing for this profession? And 90% of the time, they never take time to figure out the why. And this is 2021, guys, that we are talking about. And they say, my dad wanted this, or this is an upcoming field, or I don't know. One thing is sure, that the profession that they are in or they are preparing for is not something that they want, but still they are doing it. No matter how many grades or accolades you hold, no matter how boom that career goes in the future, you will not do good at it. We'll talk about it at length, and it involves a very personal story of mine as well. We'll talk about that as well in next video. But the thing is, the Indian schooling system needs to slow down. We are just running towards nowhere. हमें पता नहीं है हमें जाना कहाँ है, हमें बस भागना आता है. You see on the streets at 9 in the morning, people are rushing like crazy. You've seen the COVID chaos. People don't know where to go. They're just rushing. I'm sure you've heard the idiom that, not an idiom, it's a story, that if you give me 7 hours to cut a tree, I will spend 5 hours just to sharpen my axe and 2 hours to cut. People want to spend 7 hours cutting the tree. they want to focus on how many hours you're spending, कितना पढ़ लिया, कितने चैप्टर कर लिए. Doesn't work like that. कितनी डेप्थ में आप जा रहे हो? Does somebody ask that? I personally believe in doing few things, but do those few things good, समझ के, इत्मीनान से, आराम से, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Slow down a bit. People say life is short, and they're true. We've seen it in the recent times, but I say life is not really very short. You feel it's short because you're doing a lot of things that are not important, and you know that, but you don't know what's important for you. So you need to figure out what is important for you, because when you are doing the thing that you're really interested in, that you want to do, that is when you figure out that it's a process. कोई कमी नहीं है टाइम की, कोई कमी नहीं है पैसे की. मनी इज ऑल अराउंड, एंड आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू मोटिवेट और गिव some positive affirmation to anybody. I am just stating out plain cold hard truth here. So slow down. Don't accept the pressure. Go with the flow.